Hi guys, here is how you can add users on Windows without Microsoft account. Let's try to add the users from Settings. Go to Settings and go to Accounts. Then go to Other Users. Add account. Now this will ask to sign into Microsoft account. Let's bypass this. So to create an account without Microsoft account, go to Start menu and type CMD. Run it as administrator. Now we will add our user. So we need to add net user and choose any username you want to use. And use any password for that user and /add. So type net user. I will add the username test. I will give the password test123. You can give any password and /add. So the command was successful. Let's check it. Go back to Accounts. Go to Other Users. And here is our local account without Microsoft account. And you can as well change the account type. You can change it to administrator if you want. Now it is an admin. And you can as well remove the account from here. Or you can also use CMD to remove it. To remove it from here, type net user and the username is test and /delete. So it is successful. Let me go back to Accounts and go to Other Users, and it has been deleted. Thank you very much.